I think for us to have something that commemorates 9/11 is huge. As we know, history and time passes and people forget the magnitude of things that occurred. By having this, we will always be able to look at it, touch it, feel it, and remember the horror of that day so that we are never, it never leaves us and that we always move forward from it.
I feel proud that we can have an artifact like this from an event like that, like 9/11.
I was thinking of where could it be displayed where it would have the most, not necessarily memorial impact, there's a lot of those around, but maybe the most educational impact in the county.
There's one thing about putting it in front of a firehouse and a rescue squad and the rest, but in terms of reaching the people, reaching the future of people who will come, this made a greater sense to me.
I thought if we brought it on campus in some fashion, it would probably be a way for the greatest number of people to reflect and appreciate what this piece of steel meant.
It's really priceless when you realize the enormity of its as a statement of history.
It's very rare that I have an opportunity to teach my students about something and then actually have them touch an artifact from it.
I think any of the senses who can touch this and feel it and get a feel for it, that helps them to recognize its reality. Think of it in terms of in 5, 10, 20 generations from now of people who come through here.
Okay, guys, come in close. Come on.
Each of them have an opportunity by having it here to share it with others, to let them understand it, to get a sense of it.
It was really a wonderful opportunity that we immediately sought to have come to fruition, and through the kindness of Bob and the rest of the committee, we were able to get it, and we're looking forward to having it prominently displayed throughout our campus.
9/11 World Trade Center artifact. The forces and causes that struck, bent, and drove this hardened steel I-beam down from its high purpose within the World Trade Center in New York City on September 11, 2001, have delivered before you and before the future people of our world a symbol that one may touch and ring and consider. To consider those who died that day, those who are from the moment hence irreparably harmed, and those who even today are yet shaken as a result. Now, this I-beam's higher purpose is to serve as a witness to ring out to all who might stand before it that the event happened, that this very steel holds in the sounds, the heat, the smoke, the lost people, and that now perhaps you may remember them kindly through the measure and touch of your own life.